Welcome, little friends, to our happy forest. We're here to sing a song about an amazing little seed and how it grows. Get ready to meet our star. The music is upbeat and gentle, perfect for a sunny day in the woods. The upbeat acoustic nursery rhyme melody begins now. See the tall, happy oak tree shaking its big green branches? Look, there he is, our tiny, cute acorn friend. He's ready for an adventure. Let's start the rhyme. Down in the woods where the tall trees grow, lives a little acorn, ready to go. He wears a little hat, he has a big smile. Let's go and visit him for a little while. Now the core rhyme begins. What happens when the wind blows on an acorn? I'm a little acorn, round and small, hanging on the tree, up so tall. When the wind blows, I wave goodbye and drop to the ground from up in the sky. Roll, roll, roll around on the forest floor, wave to the squirrel by the wooden door. That looked like fun. The sun is hiding. What does the acorn need now to help it grow big and strong? Pitter-patter raindrops fall from the blue, washing the grass and the acorn too. Listen to the sound of the rain. Soak up the water, stretch real wide. There is a magic little secret inside. Tap, 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 go the drops so bright, growing a little bit, day and night. Are you ready to see the magic? Our little acorn is about to change into something wonderful. Roots go down, deep in the ground, green leaves grow, spinning all around. The sprout is coming out. Look at the acorn. Look what we see. The happy little acorn is a big oak tree. He grew so tall. Tall, 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 stretching to the sun. Growing up big is so much fun. Being big is the best. It's time to move your body. The music is picking up tempo for a fun dance-along. Let's do the acorn dance. 1, 2, 3. Can you dance like the little acorn? Wiggle your branches. Shake like a tree. Roll on the ground. Reach for the sky. Jump up high and wave goodbye. I'm a little acorn, round and small. Now I'm a tree, the happiest of all. The sun is getting sleepy, and the forest is getting quiet. Time to slow down for a cool down. The music fades to a gentle lullaby version. The happy tree and all the animals are going to sleep. Good night, forest. Good night, sun. Growing up big is for everyone. Sweet dreams, little friends.